Welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about yesterday routine. What did you do yesterday? Or how was your day? What did you do yesterday? Or how was your day? Number 1. Yesterday I went to the market. Yesterday I went to the market. Went is the second form of go. Number 2. I bought some vegetable. I bought some vegetable. Bought is the second form of buy. Number 3. I met my friends. I met my friends. Met is the second form of meet. Met is the second form of meet. Number 4. I was very happy to see him. I was very happy to see him. Number 5. We drank orange juice together. We drank orange juice together. Drank is the second form of drink. Drink is first form, drank of second form. Number 6. I came back to home. I came back to home. Came is the second form of come. Repeat. What did you do yesterday? Or how was your day? Yesterday I went to the market. I bought some vegetable. I met my friend. I was very happy to see him. We drank orange juice together. I came back to home. Right now, lesson up for today. If you have any question, any suggestion, you can ask me in the comments. See you inshallah the next video with yesterday routine. Until take care, the Allah paman khushal aw abad se.